Hello guys, welcome to my 9th DBMS tutorial video. In this video we're going to use the database that we have created in my previous video. So before you watch this video, please go back to that video and do the things that we do in that video and then come back to this video. All we did is we created a database called mshop and created two tables, customer and product table, and we have inserted this data into those tables. Okay, we have followed these first three instructions are same as the previous question set that we used. So all we have to do is follow the instruction from number 4. So let's start following from fourth instruction. Find a mobile phone whose brand is Huawei, priced less than 40,000. Okay, what we need to do now is we need to write some queries to get the phone information whose brand is Huawei and price must be less than 40,000. So let's write some queries to do that. In this area we're going to write some queries. So in this case we're going to use select query. So I'm gonna use select because we're going to get some data and see those data, so we use select, and I want to show every column from our mshop database dot product table. We need to get the product information from the product table. Now I put where because we need to use some condition to filter data. That condition is brand must be Huawei, price must be less than 40,000. So we are going to get the data by using the brand column. Brand must be Huawei, and price must be less than 40,000. So if we execute this one, we get an error. Oh, actually this is not the brand column, this is brand name. So let's run that. Then you can see we get one item. That means we have a Huawei phone, model is Wi-Fi and price is 25,000. So if you look at the product table, we have two Huawei's and one phone's price is 25,000 and the other one's price is 45,000. So this won't belong to our condition. If we put these values, condition becomes false, so that won't return this row. It only returns this row because price is less than 40,000 and the brand name is Huawei. Okay, now let's move to the next instruction. Look for customers whose gender is female. Okay, now in that case we are going to use select query. So select every column from our mshop database customer table. Select everything from customer table. Now we need to provide our condition to filter data. The gender column must be equals to female. If we execute this one, we get all the customers who has gender as female. Now let's move to the next instruction. Find the details of the product whose brand is Vivo. Okay, now let's use that too. I'm gonna write select because we are going to get and see some data. Select every column from mshop product table. This contains our product information. Now we need to get the products whose brand is Vivo. So I'm going to use where because now we're going to use some condition to filter data. Now the brand name brand name must be equals to Vivo. Put the semicolon at the end. Let's run this. Then you can see we get all the product information whose brand name is Vivo. Okay, this is all for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.